Hello, good evening and welcome to another Budget Model Railways video. We're quite often asked about track plans and things, some of the ones that we use. Generally, I'm not a big fan of track plan books, but some years ago I found Cyril Freeze's books, which have lots of really good track plans in them. And I know a lot of people ask us questions about them, and I happen to pick this up today. It's the Peco track plans book for layouts to suit all locations. So I thought I'd just give a little quick review of it because I found it a really good, interesting book. I've been making layouts for 4 years. I've made lots of mistakes, and actually looking through this book, I realised that all the layouts in here are really good. They don't have any of the faults that I've built into my layouts. So why I particularly liked it is, unlike some books that are full of big complex designs, this even starts with nice, simple little shunting layouts, which you know I'm a big fan of. These are quite clever. I've never thought, for instance, here, that you could use that to do a cattle dock or a goods shed, and that's your head shunt on your platform. So that's a really compact way of doing a shunting layout that I'll certainly try. This one's a concept that I've looked at where you run the locos in and you have a pilot loco to release them so you don't need a runaround. So that's a really good little one. I love the idea of little turntables at the end instead of a head shunt, which is really unusual. For me, I'm just working on a concept for a shed, and this is a little idea I love, slightly curved platform, and I hadn't thought about putting sidings up in the middle. So I found this a really useful book. It's got end-to-end plans, and it's got it for all eras. So you've got it for diesels and steam. You saw the shunting layouts there in the round to round. It's got larger continuous run layouts, and it's got multi-level layouts, and it's got a little piece at the end about fiddle yards, sector plates and that sort of thing. What's interesting in it as well is it mentions that with modern things like insulating points, you don't need anymore to have all these isolated sections and switches. They're a thing of the past. A lot of the plans that people talk about are still using those. So these could be used for DCC or DC. And the really good thing is it's £3.95. That's actually less than the cost of many of the model railway magazines. I think if you were new to the hobby, you would find the layout in there that you want to build without you having to do lots of research or fiddling around or getting it wrong, trial and error. So we do like to recommend things when we find them that are good. I would have found this really interesting when I started. I've been doing it 4 years and I've still found things in there I like. So I could thoroughly recommend this for anybody that wants ideas for layouts. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful, and we'll speak to you again. We've got a B. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series. Click on the right for another video you might enjoy. And please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.